Understanding, to make up a quote, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful phrase in the English language, to make up a quote. Whether you're reading, writing, or having a conversation, knowing the nuances of this phrase can enhance your understanding and usage of English. Let's explore what it means to make up a quote, how it's used, and some examples to help you master it. To make up a quote means to create a quotation that is not real or to fabricate the words someone is alleged to have said. It's important to distinguish between using this phrase for creative or illustrative purposes and using it in a way that could mislead or deceive others. In English, the context in which make up a quote is used can significantly change its implication. People might make up quotes for various reasons. Sometimes, it's done for creative writing purposes, to add depth or convey a message more powerfully. Other times, quotes are made up for humorous effect, to entertain or amuse. However, it's crucial to note that making up quotes and attributing them to real people without disclosure can be ethically problematic and misleading. 1. Creative writing. If you're writing a story, you can make up quotes for your characters. This is a fantastic way to reveal their personalities and emotions. 2. Illustrative purposes. In essays or speeches, you might use a made-up quote to illustrate a point. But it's important to clarify that the quote is hypothetical. 3. Humor. Making up quotes can be a source of humor, especially if it's clear that the quote is fictional and meant to entertain. Remember, always be transparent about the nature of a made-up quote to avoid confusion or misinformation. Creative use. As Shakespeare once said, to code or not to code, that is the question. Note, Shakespeare never said this. It's a playful twist on his famous line for modern contexts. Illustrative example. Imagine if Einstein had said, the only constant in the universe is change and internet speeds. Clearly, Einstein never made such a remark, but it humorously highlights the importance of adaptability and technology today. Humorous example. My dog once told me, life is too short to waste on chasing cars. This obviously made-up quote can add a light-hearted touch to discussions about life's priorities. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, to make up a quote, and how you can use it effectively and ethically in English. Remember, the power of language lies in its use, so understanding the nuances of phrases like this one can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future.